In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Gmail Smart Compose. Smart Compose is that feature in Gmail that tries to predict what you're going to type and shows grey text suggestions as you write an email. Some people find it helpful, but if you prefer to write your own messages without suggestions popping up, turning it off can make composing emails feel a lot more natural. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to find the setting and how to switch it off step by step. First, open Gmail in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the account where you want to change the setting. Once you're looking at your inbox, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see an icon that looks like a gear, which is the Settings button. Click on that gear icon to open the Quick Settings panel. A side panel will slide open on the right. Near the top of this panel, you'll see an option labeled See All Settings. This is important because the Smart Compose option isn't in the quick settings, it's inside the full settings menu. Go ahead and click on See All Settings and Gmail will take you to a new page with multiple tabs and lots of options. You should land on the General tab by default. This tab controls most of the everyday features of Gmail. Scroll down slowly until you find the section called Smart Compose. It might be somewhere in the middle of the page, so don't worry if you need to scroll a bit to get there. In the Smart Compose section, you'll see options such as writing suggestions on and writing suggestions off. If Smart Compose is currently enabled, writing suggestions on will be selected. To disable it, simply click on writing suggestions off. This tells Gmail to stop automatically suggesting text while you type your emails. After changing this option, it's very important not to just close the tab. Gmail only applies changes after you save them, so scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. There, you'll see a button labeled Save Changes. Click on Save Changes and Gmail will briefly reload. Once your inbox reappears, your new setting is active. The next time you compose an email, you should no longer see Smart Compose suggestions. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same Smart Compose